Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make animated stories using Meta AI. If you're interested, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. First, you might want to put your story on Capcut. Let's pick any picture or video for now before we get the actual videos. Then go to audio and click on text to audio. Paste your text here and it converts it to audio. You can select the voice you want here.
Every night at exact.
Every night at exact.
Every night at exact.
So it has generated the captions and the audio.
Every night at exactly midnight, Ellie's bedroom window shows a different world than the one outside during the day.
Then go to Meta AI on WhatsApp and give it a prompt to create a 3D video for you. Or you can ask it for a picture first and then ask it to make a video in the next prompt. Save the ones you will need and then take it to Capcut. Select them and import them. Then you can go ahead to edit your video the way you want it to be. After editing, let's see what we've done so far.
Every night at exactly midnight, Ellie's bedroom window shows a different world than the one outside during the day. Tonight, the usual view of her suburban neighborhood is replaced by a sprawling city made entirely of light. Buildings constructed of pure, golden beams stretch toward a sky filled with geometric constellations. Streets pulse with flowing rivers of blue light, and creatures made of sparkling particles dance through the air. Ellie has never dared to touch the glass during these midnight transformations, but tonight a small creature of light notices her watching. It approaches the window, pressing its glowing hand against the glass from the other side. Heart racing, Ellie reaches out and places her palm against the window. For a brief moment, her fingertips shine with the same light. Before the clock strikes 12:01, and the ordinary world returns. But now, a faint glow remains under her skin, a reminder that some...
Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video.